Hello, boys and girls. So I've been asked if my medium works with house paint, and that's what I'm gonna try to test in this video. So I only have like about 3 colors of house paint, so let's find out what comes out. So this is the maroon, and I'm adding my medium there, 45% primer and 55% water. And I am going to just stir and incorporate. I'm using about 1 part paint and 1 part medium. And I may add more, it depends if I need it more. And there's the viscosity, as you can see. And I did the same with the purple, and as you can see, there is the viscosity as well. I wanted to show you that because a lot of you struggle with that. So now I'm going to add a little bit of WD-40 in my purple and in my yellow. Not stirring too much, as you can see. I'm going to use my lubricant in the yellow now. But mainly what I'm looking for in here is to see how it dries. Because as we all know, well, it's wet when it's fresh, it looks good. But the real deal is when it dries, if it's gonna crack or if it's going to do whatever, you know. So I wanna see if the medium dries smoothly, okay? So I'm incorporating the colors right now. And dang, I don't have any white, so I'm kicking myself in the butt. But oh well, this is a test. This is and this is what I want to test. I'm not testing for color here. I'm testing for finish. So there we go. I have all my colors incorporated by now, and now I'm gonna do a dirty pour on a 10 by 10 ceramic tile. All right, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. And right off the bat, I have way too much paint. So one of the things to keep in mind is if the viscosity is correct, the tilting is another process. But if we put too much paint in the canvas, see, by the time I tilt, I'm gonna lose my sails. So I'm gonna blow it in there after I tilt to show you how much paint there is in there. And then I still see some effects in there made by the silicone. And see, I'm trying to tilt as slowly as possible. You know, this is not a, I don't know, how do you call it? A race, but see, there it is. See, you can see the cells in there, but there is just too much paint. Are they gonna keep them? We'll see. All right, so here it is. It took me a while, but I use my card. You can see the color in there to swipe around some of the areas following the flow of the paint. And so this is what I got. And I was pretty bummed, you know, when I told you that I didn't have white, and I was thinking, you know, white would have been great. And oh, by the way, a lot of people ask me what I use to finish, to varnish this, and I am attaching there a picture of what I use. So you can see it's really shiny. I like it. But what I was saying is, until I walk into my living room, I realized that it goes with my couch. It goes, this color goes here perfectly with my chair. And so here it is. Voila, I'm keeping this one, guys. So far, thanks for watching. I really like what I was trying to test in here. I really like the how it dried. So my medium does work with house paint. So till next time, guys, keep on